Chef Buck here. Check it out. Guacamole. We made burritos a couple weeks ago. Folks have been asking me what guacamole recipe we use. Boom. Guacamole is very basic. The key is fresh ingredients. Fresh tomato, fresh avocado, nice, ripe. Dice it up, and then boom, straight away, throw a little lime or lemon juice on there. And that's gonna keep the color nice and vibrant. Otherwise, you're gonna have yucky, brownish guacamole. Throw in some spices if you want, a little bit of hot sauce and heat, but that's all optional. You don't have to use any of these spices or hot sauce. Just use basic, fresh ingredients, and then add whatever the heck you like. The key is fresh avocado, lemon lime juice, fresh tomato, nice fresh onion, about a quarter cup, but you can adjust the onion to whatever taste you like. Fresh cilantro and fresh garlic. Don't use that already pre-minced garlic in a jar. That stuff's from hell. Don't use that, Fresh ingredients. That's gonna elevate whatever kind of Mexican food you're gonna make. It's gonna be elevated. Boom, that's all there is to it. That's case closed.